Hi everyone, my name is Turmeric. You're welcome to my channel. I'm setting today's video up to teach us one of Africa's age-old practices. Perhaps this would help us in this time. But I want us to talk today about boosting your immunity. Because many people, because of GMO foods that we've been eating, junk food that we've been eating, many people do not have strong immunity. So if you think you are in that category, or you even think you have strong immunity and you would like to boost it more to be able to help yourself, I want to show you what we do in Africa to boost immunity. Here we have ginger, the age-old ginger. We have lemon, and you can use lime if you have it, but this is lemon. We have garlic. And we have turmeric powder. I've just poured my turmeric powder in a jar to preserve it for longer use. But you can always get this in African shop, Asian shop, or even in Morrison. I think I got this from Morrison, so you can get it from Morrison. And then we have lemon juice, just to make the mix when I'm mixing in the blender. I have my blender here. So what's going to happen now is I'm going to peel this ginger, so I don't, so I have a good blend, and then get some of this garlic and the lemon and blend everything together in my lovely blender. You can use any blender. This is a juicer, so it makes it smooth. I got this from Aldi, but you can actually use a normal blender. So I'll show you the end product. So I've finished blending the mix, and as you can see, it's a very lovely sunset yellow color. And I'm pouring it now in this bottle, so I can put in the fridge, and the whole family can have it over a few days. But I'm going to have a shot now. The taste is not bad, but you may want to add some vanilla or whatever flavor that you think would make it better for you. But I'm okay with it as it is.